Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. So guys, I'm currently within Google Chrome and this is my home screen and it looks really nice, right? Now, this is not your typical home screen when you open up a new tab within the Google Chrome. As you can see, I open a new tab here and this is incredibly fancy. And this is because I am using a really fascinating Chrome extension by the name of Duang AI that is literally changing the game right now. That is literally improving our productivity going forward, how we work on the web. And I'm going to show you how to get it. So once you're inside the Google Chrome, guys, you just want to click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side and you want to go to extension and head over to the Chrome Web Store. Now, once you're inside the Chrome Web Store, you simply want to type in Duang AI. And as you can see, by the time you type Duang, it starts to populate. And you can come here and you can find this Duang AI plugin. Now, this is an AI tab that allows you to do so much. And if you haven't seen my previous video where I go through quite a lot of these features of how to get this plugin, how it works, then you want to check out that video. But I'm going to try to make this as concise as possible so that you can see additional features of what this AI plugin can do. Because guys, there's so much to do within this plugin that I have to do a follow-up video because it's simply amazing, right? So you want to go here and you want to add that plugin to your Google Chrome. And once you enable that plugin, then once you open up a new tab, it will look just like this, right? So you have a bunch of apps here, you have a bunch of widgets. They're more like widgets, but it's called apps. And you have a bunch of tabs here and you have a nice little wallpaper. Now, there's quite a lot of applications. If you click towards the right hand side on these three dots, you realize that you have quite a lot of different categories with tools here. You have text tool, you have image tool, video tools, audio tools, quite a lot, as you can see, in a wide range of different categories that you can simply add and utilize on your home dashboard here. As well, you have a little search bar here, so you can simply come here and you can utilize the search. You can use the Bing, you can switch between multiple different searches by click this little drop down here and switch between Bing, Google, Yahoo, Ask, and just simply search, right? And of course, you can switch between different tabs here to images, videos, and so forth, and just use drop down again to search, right? Now, on the left hand side, you have similar thing. You have the apps that you can click here within apps, and these are the different apps that you can add to your home screen here. So if you go through the different category, which is calendar, hot searches, weather, to-dos, you can add these different apps here. And these are pretty useful if you want to create additional page, right? Additional page or spaces, let's call it like that. And if you click between these different pages, you realize they're organized a bit differently. I've organized them a bit differently, and you can add additional ones by clicking the plus here. Once you click the plus, it will add additional ones so that you can add one for yourself, right? Now, I'm going to also show you something really fancy. Now, if you look here, you see I have a nice background, and this gets even more fascinating. You can right click here and you can simply go to add wallpaper, and you can choose between wider range variety of categories here of wallpapers, and you can set that wallpaper as your background. So let's say I want this one, I can click on it and you can see that my background is now changed. But that's not even the best part. You also have something that called dynamic wallpaper, which is a live wallpaper that you can simply go ahead and select, and you realize that my dynamic wallpaper is changed, so it's live. So that's something really fancy that I find here. And of course, you can add your wallpaper as well. So if you have a bunch of wallpapers that you want to add, you can simply come here and you can add, click on the plus button to find it from your computer, and you can upload those wallpapers so you have something to your liking. Right now, there is quite a lot. As I said, you can use quite a lot of applications, quite a lot of tools that you so want to use. You can add more to your page. So if you want to add more applications to your homepage, you can simply go ahead and you can go through the categories here. You can use different searches, favorites, and you can just simply go ahead and add those tools to your various apps or widget or spaces, right? So this is very easy. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply head over to, for example, Google search. You can utilize the Google search from here, guys. So as I said, you can utilize searches from wherever you want on the page. So you can use a search from here. You can use a main search. So you can use a Bing. You can use, for example, Google, and you can go to wherever you want within this page. So let's say I want to go to Google. So let's say I want to search something, not from Bing, but Google. I can select Google from here, and I can just simply use, for example, a Google search, and I can say, what is AI? Right? And I hit the enter. And as you can see, it gives me video results there. But what if I don't want video results? I want just the main want like regular text result. I can simply switch back to the main here. I'm going to switch it up a bit. So let's say I want to do it for Bing. I can switch to Bing and I can just say, what is AI? And as you can see, it gives me access directly to Bing with the result that I want. So as you can see here, guys, you can use as many search as you want between many different tabs here with it, between video, maps, images, etc. And you can search between multiple different search engine within the one platform. How amazing is that? Now, let's say I want to use, for example, video and I want to go over to the youtube.com because I simply don't have youtube.com here within my search result, right? So let's say I would like to add YouTube to my search result here. I can easily go here. If I don't have, for example, YouTube here, I can simply go to youtube.com, right? And once I'm at youtube.com, have a look at this. You can right click on anywhere within the YouTube page and you can simply go to the Duang AI tab and you can click add to. And once you click add to, you need to choose the space where you want it so you can add it under the video tools. I think it will be best placed under video tools. You have text tool, image tools, chat dialogue, and prompts, right? So you can add this under video tools so that you can easily use these video tools. So you can click on that, then click OK from here. So now when you go back to your Duang AI, and you go to whatever tabs that you have. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to simply click on one of my tabs here. And as you can see, now I have YouTube there under my video tools as well. And if you go to your searches as well, you can easily go down to one of these searches and go to video, and you should be able to find YouTube there as well. So you have YouTube here that you can use, and you can also use it directly from the pages as well. So you can click YouTube from here and it will take you back to YouTube. And this does not work only for YouTube. If you're on any website whatsoever and you'd like to add that into a search, whatever video, whatever text, you can simply use the same steps to add this into YouTube. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to simply head over to my channel and I'm going to show you something even more fascinating. So let's say I go to Drew Tutorial YouTube channel. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on any one of these videos. So let's say I click on this video here, how to rename a tab within Arc. And I'm going to mute it for a moment there. Now, what I'm going to do, you can easily summarize this video. As you can see below the video here, you have a summarize button. So if you click on this summarize button, you will see immediately that it starts to summarize the video for you. And you can easily do this for any video that you find on YouTube. Very easy and very simple. So you can go ahead and go to anybody's video and you can simply click on the summarize button, load the video, and you can easily go ahead and summarize this. Another thing that you also realize that it also have a chat section here, right? So you can utilize the chat here and you can use it just like a chatbot, like a chat GPT, Gemini, etc. You can use the chat, you can ask the chat whatever you want. And as you can see here below it, you have up to a 4,000 character limit. And you also can select various languages here. You can click between the various languages that you want here. You also have the history here. And of course, the send button that you can also press enter key. You can regenerate and you can continue. If you ask it something, you can continue. As you can see here, I was asking it some prompts. I said to give me a list of the best YouTube tags for Windows 11. And it basically gives me that. So you can always use it. And to easy access this, it's on the sidebar. So whichever website you will go to, you will see that it appears on the right hand side. You can click on it and you have a copy button. You have a Control A, which is basically going to open up the search. Again, from here, you can simply go ahead and you can search for something. You don't have to go to a different web page to utilize the search. So you can switch between images, maps, you can switch between videos as well. And you can utilize the search for whatever you want. So let's say I would like to search something on a main page. I can simply go here as well. And I can say, what is Arc? Let's say I found the Arc browser. I can say, what is Arc browser, right? And I can just simply go ahead and hit enter. And as you can see, it opens up new tab here and it's giving me all the information about Arc within the Google, right? Because that's what I selected. Now, the next thing that you can do, guys, is that once you open up the tab as well, you have the option that says Alt and Q, which opens up here that you can use the AI to use a chatbot. As I mentioned here, you can do summary from here as well. And you also have the favorites, which you can see some additional apps here. You can go through video category, you can do text category and images, chat. So you have the same options here. So if you find websites that you would like to access within those tools, you can add them to your favorites. You can add them to these different tools and you can utilize them as you go forward. So it puts everything all in one place and all in one space that you can utilize that. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you one more interesting thing. So let's say I would like to know what is this art browser and I want to get some quick information about it. So what you can do, guys, let's say you like to know more about this art website. You can go to whichever website. So let's say I go to Wikipedia, right? And I would like to know what is this art browser and I don't want to read the entire thing. I can just simply copy this link here of this website. I can hover over the Duang AI tab on the right hand side, expand it, and I can ask the AI. I can just simply say, please please summarize this web page, put a space there and put the URL link and hit enter. And you will see that the AI just simply take the entire page of all of this data that is there that I don't have to read through and just give me what it is in a super simple summary. How amazing is that, right? This is interesting, and this is how you can easily consume a lot of information by utilizing this Duang AI tool to summarize various things, various website, and you don't have to read through it. And I found it really fascinating because you can easily go ahead and use this on any website. You can even use it within your email. So if you have your Gmail, you can open up your Gmail and you can do the same thing within your Gmail. You can also find text. If you find a bunch of text here that you want to, let's say, translate, or you want to do something with that bunch of text, you can highlight the text, guys. And once you highlight the text, you have the Duang AI option appear here. So you have all of these. You can click a prompt, you can translate it, you can use the Ask AI, you can summarize it, you can copy it, and so forth. So let's say I want to translate this, I can click on that and I can have it translate for me. And as you can see, it is doing some translation here for me. So pretty interesting stuff here, guys. It is very interesting how you can easily go ahead and utilize this for yourself. So you can find whatever language you can find it in and you can use the translation as well. Guys, there's so much within this Duang tool that you simply have to just come here and try it out. Now, guys, I also want to mention as well that the Duang AI, if you'd like to get a subscription here, you can click the subscription on the uppermost right hand side. You can install this for free. As you can see, you can start utilizing the Duang AI for free, guys. And as you can see here with the free version, you get a bunch of different things that you can utilize. So as you can see here, you still have quite a lot that you can use. With the AI, of course, you also have the Pro and you have the VIP plan. I want to mention that I have a bunch of coupon codes here available to you. So after trying out this, if you'd like to upgrade and utilize this Duang AI to the full potential, to the full blown features, then go ahead and comment within the description of this video or within my other video as well that I will put towards the end of this video, and let me know if you'd like to get a coupon so that I can share with you. I have just 10 coupon codes, guys, and they're going very fast. So go ahead, let me know in the comments below if you'd like to get one. Just simply write in the comments below that you'd like to get a coupon, and I will be more than happy to share one with you so that you can upgrade whenever you want it. So guys, I really hope that you'll take the time here, guys, and try out this free AI tool, guys. As you can see here, you can open it up and you can, I'm just simply blown away with this tool, guys. I use it every single day. I know utilize Duang every single day by enable it within my dashboard, and it is simply blown away. I can customize it to do whatever I want. I can use every single thing. I have Grammarly there. I have so much things. And the interesting thing is that it doesn't limit you to only what is there. You can go to whatever website that you want and you can easily go ahead and you can add it like a pin it to your own Duang dashboard. And you can add as much dashboard as you want or space as you want, and then you can add those different tools there, those different websites that you can customize. So whatever you're doing, you can utilize it. You can customize Duang AI to your liking and make it as your own. Guys, I really hope you found this video useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. If you have any question whatsoever, don't forget to put them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them, and the questions that I don't have answered to the developers of Duang to get those answers for you so that you can have all the information that you need. On top of that, guys, I will really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.